Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it. Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up in yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss. They are NEWLINK from NEWLINK production, and I mean say attack. Some viewers and subscribers, may I tell you say, yo, I don't know what is really going on, in our high schools them in Jamaica right now, people, because these things been happening for years, you know what I mean, for years now, because from me, the high school, me see these things been going on, my people, and it's not getting better, it's getting worse, worse. So, a 14-second video clip sent to me, my people, and this is just one video I'm talking about out of many, because there's other video that was sent to me also about things happening in high school across Jamaica, my people, you know what I mean, several videos, but I'm just talking about this 14-second clip. And a female, basically, like, she have piece of a chair, you know what I mean, chair or piece of the decks, the iron part, my people, and she do manage to take that, reel up, my people, and put one cross another, you know what I mean, female face, my people. What, you know, see, and you can see where basically in this video she's the bigger one, because in high schools in Jamaica, my people, the higher grade, like grade 10, 11, most time they change over where they will wear skirt, you understand, and the blouse, and you know the lesser grade, like from 9 to 7, would basically in the dress thing, you know, just the full dress thing. But I'm saying, my viewers and subscribers, instead of things to get better, it's getting worse, you know what I mean, it's getting worse. For sure, say, our students need stronger guidance for people. Our students need stronger monitorship, you know what I mean, and mentoring, you know, they need counseling, my people. They need help psychologically, because from your high school, you know, my people, I've been seeing these things, you know, and if you never hear before, if you're new to the channel, and for persons who on the channel for a while and they will watch my live and they will listen to me when I talk, say, yo, listen, I go to one of the most violent school in Jamaica of my time, at my time, of people. You know what I mean? When me tell us, every day was war, every day was fight, every day police have it up on compound, every day I've seen it, my people. You know what I mean? I've seen you lose their life in school, people. Not joke, I've seen it in my own eyes. So when me tell us, say, yo, them thing I go on for, here's my people, here's them thing I go on for. I remember leaving high school, because where my school was, I have to pass other high schools, and sometimes passing these other high school, my people, a war that you see up the road, that come crowd, pick me a run, a come down, stone a fling, sometimes you pie. Reality I'm telling you about, you know, my people. You know what I mean? So in my time of going high school, was really a violent time, you know, even though me, myself, my people, I was a youth at school who wasn't too in the group of friends and them something there. So you wouldn't find me in none of these fights. So I never get in no fight like these in high school, my people. No. Only thing mostly I remember getting into high school and where I do get a police involved is when a youth did pick my wallet. You understand? Yeah, when a youth did basically pick my wallet and take out my money out of my wallet and thing, and I have $100 at the time in my wallet, and that $100 was to pay my fare for transportation to reach my house, car to reach my yard, my people. I have to take like 2 cars to reach my yard, you know. You understand? And my $100 gone, so me no know how me I go reach home. And the day, that same day when he take my money, is a lady I see in the street, my people in the town, and I was standing there very devastated, don't know what to do, stressed out, you know, and she saw the look on my face and she come up to me and I tell her my problem, and she gave me $100, my people, and that's how I reached my yard. And like 2 days after that, some police come on the school and thing, and I explained to the police, because I knew eventually who took my wallet, my people. And I tell the police about the situation, and the police managed to make him give me back my $100, and the police even asked if I want pay back for the wallet. But because the wallet I did one whole piece of the same thing, but tell the officer said, no, that good, and me get back my $100. But even after that, me and this guy, we never have like that enemy thing that we do manage to talk after that, because we were in the same class and he managed to do me something like that, my viewers and subscribers. So I'm telling you this basically for sure, say, when I was going to high school, my people, it wasn't easy also. It was rough, it was tough, my people, you know what I mean? But I still myself, my people, and it wasn't like I'm coming from a home where I don't see things or things don't happen, people. I'm coming from a home basically in the
ghetto. You know what I mean? Not joke about it, people in poverty life. So I could choose any one of these road, you know what I mean, being in fight, being in this, being in that, my people. But I'm telling you, how I portray myself and how I carry myself as a local youth. Going into school is where I was in the group of friends thing, my people. You know what I mean? I was mostly on a level of my friends, them would be my cousins, them when I finish high school and we are going to play some cricket or play some football or something in the yard and them something there. You understand? Those are my friends. My friend was like thinking of doing business as a young local youth, setting up my local stall in my yard and them something, buy my local sweets and ice cement and them thing they and try to sell and make money. You know what I mean? That was my friend. That was my pre-mens as a local youth. But this generation now, my people, them pre-mens is totally different. The way them operate things now, because all of these social media and internet and them something, my people, the mentality of this younger generation is totally different from my generation in my era, my people. If you all notice, they are totally different. They are not the same. You know what I mean? Because a couple years ago, my people, even though I'm telling us the school was very violent and this and that, my people, but still yet, the way you always grew up, my people, we never have, you know what I mean, certain stuff in place like what these youth have today. Yes, they were a smartphone, my people, but the phone weren't too smart. Now, the phone is so smart where they lick out brain cell and not do everything now, my people. But these phone in my time wasn't too smart. You understand? No, so them wasn't too smart. There was a lot of things you could do. Certain social media thing, you never have them, my people. You get what I'm saying? You never have all of these IG, you never have all of them something, my people. You get me? So now, when these things do come across, my people, TikTok and all of them something, everything change. Everything change. And if you notice, people, I'm not talking about Jamaica basically, because I don't know really about high school in different parts of the Caribbean, but basically in Jamaica, if you notice when things do happen in our high school people, especially like a fight and this video went viral, it seemed like a new trend start with other high school, like they want to try to compete against this other video and make for them school name go up on the radar, something basically, you know, because I'm telling them, my people, a lot of video sent to me about fighting. I've seen a clip where a female, you understand, I look at you, they basically him up on a school compound or something. Him never in a school clothes. Him now like a dirty piece of cut off jeans, one piece of slippers, one piece of shirt and something tie overhead like kerchief or something. And I look at a female skinny one just roll up, my people. I don't know where she find that powers from or that strength. And she put on a couple bucks on him, radam, cladam. You understand? Then she walked away. And the youth, he never retaliate or behave back in an aggressive way like him a go war. Then two him just walk away and something and then the video stop. I don't know what happened or what occurred after. But I'm telling them, people, students, all female, they are so violent right now. We have seen where a female take out the next female 3 points in high school across Jamaica. See, we have people, not the first time, but recently we have seen what happened. You know what I mean? Yo, on a real level, my people, parents underneath for guide these local youth to talk to them. You understand? Reason with them. Them leave school, them forward them, on a hold them, on a reason with them, on a talk to them. You understand? Otherwise, yo, in the school them and I'm going to high school, we always have guidance counselor and them something of people. We always have these people and you know what I mean? At times being there will talk to us, especially when they see how we look on the condition. And a lot of people and kids too, especially the home they're growing into, you know, some home don't really set nothing where these students can really, you know what I mean, focus, my people. Sometimes these students are torment, you know what I mean, waking up every day, you see mommy and daddy a fight a war, every day you be a bongo lang, changa lang in the house, in the yard, my people. So a lot of these students and people, their mindset is really torment, and this is why you really can't find them on a level of, you know what I mean, like how you expect them to be. So I'm telling you, say, whom sometimes have a lot to play, you know what I mean, in these youths' life, in their head, in their brain cell. So when we all been looking and say, yo, we want a change, we want a difference of people, it have to start from here. This is the root of it, you know. So if the changes now make here and then when they leave high school, what do you expect? And this is why we have crime and violence so high in Jamaica to my people. Because a lot of these youths, from there going to school, my people, their mind don't cross up, it don't fix up, it don't messed up already. So when they do finish school, my people, and thing, they gone, you know, it's like you give them the release and they gone into the world that was created for them. Because basically going into high school, people, them not sort nothing of them brain cell. They not pray how to go forward, how to make some money. You know what I mean? What they are praying is choppings and this and that. My people on a different road. We want action, we want money, we want this, we want with strap, we want be bad man, we want be gunman, then two pipe, one get there straight. 6'6". You get what I'm saying? So, yo, it's a lot to it, my viewers and subscribers. There's a lot, and I'm hoping for a change and hoping for a difference in our high school across Jamaica and for these younger generation. But it's terrible, man. You know, look at these females, how they're reacting and how they're behaving aggressive against other females. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So my people, you don't know the thing, man. This is the attacking boss in the NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, my people. And I thank you all for the love, for the support, for the like and every share and every comment that you put on my videos, of people. And you don't know one team and one dream, one scheme, and I mean say, oh my pearl, oh my precious NEWLINK. Jaja sees, Jaja knows the people. And remember, please follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss, people. And if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe now. Me say subscribe. Thank you all so much. And hit the notification bell. So when I hear me drop a video, you will get it. Ping! It pop up right by your phone. Peace out, my people. Love you all. Thank you all so much for the love and for the support. Attack them, NEWLINK. Blessings.